Good morning, student. Last lecture we have discussed the collision theory of the bimolecular reactions. There are very important colliding collisions between two reacting molecules. Minimum kinetic energy, activation energy required. Also, reacting molecules should have the proper orientations. And last point in this to reaction taking place, potential energy barrier. Consider the reactions A plus Cb gives AB plus C. During the course of collisions, new bond AB is formed and at the same time Cb bond is breaks. That is, this bond is broken down and new bond AB is formed. The bond between the A and B is formed. Okay, and new bond is A between the A minus AB is formed and bond between the Cb is break down. A configuration in which all the three atoms are weakly connected together is called activated complex. During the course of the reaction, during the course of collisions, bond is started forming between the A and B, and bond between the CB is going on breaking down at the same time. So these configuration in which all the three atoms are weakly connected together is called activated complex. Here bond is starting form between the A and B, and bond from the CB is starting the breaking down at the same time simultaneously. And these all the atoms in this configuration, all the atoms are weakly attached, weakly connected, weakly linked. That configuration is called activated complex. Okay. The energy barrier between the reactants and product is shown in the following figure. This is the energy barrier and between the reactant and product. energy of reactant is high than the product. Product has the more stability. The height of the barrier is called activation energy. This is the height of the barrier. So when reactant is converted into product, it goes to climb up to the height, and this height it across this barrier, and this height of barrier is called activation energy. The reactant molecule transfer into products when they possess energy equal to or greater than the activation energy. If the reactant have the energy equal to activation energy, or if it have the greater energy than the activation energy, then the reactant is transferred into product. Reactant is converted into product. The fraction of molecule which possess energy greater than activation energy is given by EF is equal to exponentials EA minus EA upon RT. So this fraction of energy which possess the molecules, reacting molecules greater than the activation energy is given by EF is equal to exponentials EA minus EA upon RT. Okay, so when reactions is proceed, reactant goes across the barrier, potential energy barrier. When the reacting molecule have the have the greater energy or equal to activation energy, then the reactant is transferred into product, then the reactant is converted into product. Okay, the height of barrier is called this is the height of barrier, and this is called activation energy. The reactant molecule transfer into product when reacting molecule possess the energy equal to or greater than the activation energy. The fraction of molecules which possess the energy greater than activation energy EA is given by AP is equal to E exponentials minus E upon RT. Okay, I hope you are understood.